Hello and welcome to English Proverbs and their Italian equivalent. I'm Alice and this is World Without Walls, Un mondo senza muri. Our first proverb is, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This proverb is used to caution against taking unnecessary risks or being overly optimistic about future possibilities. It is thought to have originated in the medieval practice of falconry. The bird in hand, a trained falcon, was considered a valuable possession. The falconer would benefit immediately from its possession, as opposed to the uncertainty of trying to catch two birds in the bush during a hunt. The Italian equivalent is meglio un uovo oggi che una gallina domani, meaning it's better an egg today than a hen tomorrow. Thank you for listening and see you at the next proverb. Thank you for listening and see you at the next proverb.